welcome back to the channel. And yesterday I enlisted the help of my son Ian, and we had another attack on this to try and get it started, and we certainly made some progress. So let's jump in and see how we got on. So today we're going to attempt to get this going again. I've utilised Ian here to help out. What I have done, as you'll notice, the tank is open. I have this hose, this breather hose, which is a known problem on these bikes, split after I took it out of the tank. So I tap and died some 5mm screws here and here into it to replace the pipe, and epoxied the two screws in there, and then also, just for good measure, did a bunch of epoxy in here. So that's now settled and set and all good. So next up we are going to replace the vacuum tubes, which Ian is doing at the moment, which I plugged in the wrong place. We're then going to replace the fuel filter and the fuel pump, and then fill this thing back up again and see if we can't get it started, as we're slowly going through all of the available issues that we might have. So first things first, fuel pump. Oh, and glasses so I can see what I'm doing. All right, so we're taking the fuel assembly apart. I say we, Ian is. We've taken the old fuel filter off, which is here. So we're going to take that apart. That should allow us to take the fuel pump out. We can put the new one in, put new hoses on it, new clip clamps on it to seal it all up. And then we should be good. Here, Ian, do you want to come around this side?
Try not to leave fuel everywhere.
Oh, there's going to be fuel everywhere, trust me. I know some of you had mentioned about the quality of the wires going in here, but that looks pretty good to me. And the thing does fire up. So, all right, we're going to take this off, which is the underneath part here, where that little, there we go, tea bag filter is, and yeah, switch that out. Have an arrow on it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're getting this back together again. I've reattached the ear hose clamp this time, and not a thingy, screw one. Yeah, that one goes in there. But we need a clamp on this, so we need to find one of those big clamps, Ian, before you put it in. So we've got to put a clamp on this. And let's put this on, like so. Okay, now we have new ear hose clamps there, and oh, you can't see it, but this side as well, there and there. New filter, new fuel pump. So the connection goes in there. That's in good and tight. The connectors all look good. That's good. Ian, we need to screw our little tiny screw in here. Into the earth. Where's the screwdriver? You got it? Oh. Try not to lose anything else today.
They have those surgical hands.
Yeah. All right, we have an earth. So connected. In theory, we should. Nice kink in that. Let's get rid of that. Goes in this way. Be able to connect this in here, like so. Perfect. It goes like that. Now let me put a bit of. Let me screw these in. All right, we're putting this together again. Airbox back on. We did the vacuum tubes. This is back on. This is back on. We're going to lower the tank down. in just a second. As soon as Ian's finished tightening the airbox up, we will put some petrol into the bike. Fresh petrol. Got the weekend. Premium quality stuff.
Not diesel, right? Not diesel, right?
Not diesel, no, definitely not diesel.
It's in a green can, though.
Yeah, and we will try and see if this thing works again. What do they say? Third time's a charm, or something along those lines?
I can hope. Pray to motorcycle Jesus.
Yes. I think we get some fuel. Okay, you're done. These two go in here. This one goes in this one. This one goes in this one with the little clips.
When you shut it.
Yeah, get that like so. Let's make sure we've got nothing.
Like this.
Hmm? Yeah, that one goes in here. It doesn't matter, I don't think, to be honest. There we go. Then the little clips go up here. I can actually do that one with my hand. Put some more of these. Is that on? Yep. Okay. Put it down. All right. Keys are in here. So, first things first. Put some petrol in and see if we get any leaks in. So keep an eye out for leaks. Right, that's quite a lot of petrol in there. And mostly I got that leaking out of my petrol can. Which is not good. Let's just try this. Okay, so next stop. Moment of truth. Let's turn the camera. Ian, I'll let you be the honour, shall I? Do the honours. I hold this. So we're going to turn it on. First things first. I don't see. Do you see any leaks, Ian?
No.
No, other than the mess that I made. All right, so it's on. We've got to make sure this is on to. Activate the fuel pump. I don't know why. Again, I just put a bunch in there. Why the fuel light's on and it's not registering any fuel, which is a problem. But all right, Ian, give it a go, mate. Give it a go.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. And again. All right, damn it.
Sounds better though.
All right, take two. Let's think about something else. We identified the leak coming from the fuel hose. I think this is a fuel in. This one here, I think, is the. Is this like a return thing or something? I don't actually know what this one is here, but this is definitely fuel in. It's got to be. So let's try it again and see if we get fuel pissing out of this again. So just turn it on.
Tripped.
Where did that come from?
Exactly the same thing. It's around this, around the washer.
I might need to take this off and put another crush washer in it. This is a crush washer, that copper thing there.
Doesn't look that bad.
All right, press the button.
Is the fuel supposed to be upright?
No. It's not. Oh my God. Just leave it, don't rev it, don't rev it. Oh, turn it off, turn it off. We got a leak. But holy shit, it worked. High five, buddy. Wow, we got a slight leak, but she
Yeah,
started. Holy shit. All right, it's actually working, which is a miracle. We'll just let it warm up for a minute. Make sure that we don't have any leaks anywhere. We now have fuel, Ian. Look. Oh my God, amazing, mate, amazing. Ha! I've got to put a half a litre of oil in it after it's warmed up from when I previously did the oil, which goes in here. We do have that light. What the hell is that light on? I don't know what that light is. So we'll have to look to see what that is. But it is warming up. We do have a leak here. We do have a leak here. Give it a bit of rev. Give it a quick rev. There is smoke. There is smoke. We got smoke coming from...
I think that's a temperature gauge. Does it have coolant? It's the radiator gauge? Like...
I think it's this.
That looks pretty bad.
That feels hot as well.
Is it hot as hell?
Yeah, it feels hot.
That's probably...
I think this needs to be fixed.
That was a good call.
Yeah, that looks
Should
quite...
I send a picture to Michael?
Yes, we might. Yeah, he's an electrician, right? Yeah, we're definitely going to have to get him back around here. This is a problem. I can put the oil in it in a minute.
Yeah.
So as you just saw in the video, Ian and I made some progress, and let's see if we have the same thing this morning. So we turn it on. we had a gallon sharp there, but we'll see. And then there she goes. Up straight away. Yesterday this light did go back out again eventually, so I need to work out what this is and address that. I have ordered a new set of washers and so forth for it, so I am going to drain the tank again and put a new crush washer in on that thing just to be sure. On the fuel line. This we definitely need to redo. This starts to get too hot. I don't like it. Dodgy as hell. But other than that, oh, we're in good shape. Yeah, no, it's still on. So yes, I do need to work out what's going on, what's triggering that light. Now, the other thing that I noticed yesterday, as you can see, it's only just been running for about 2 minutes and we're already at 94 degrees in temperature. It gets very hot very quickly. So this is, I believe, coolants. Do we have any? Just the expansion chamber, I think. Gotta be. So yeah, we're going to replace the coolant. We have just in here 2 new tyres for her, which will be amazing. We are going to do the forks. I believe this one, the seals have gone on it. And then we're also going to have to do this rear brake, it's binding. And I do need to fix the clutch completely. It's still dragging. It's not clean, so I need to do some more work on that. But other than that, we're looking pretty good. Yeah, look, the temperature is... Oh, that's leaking, yeah, we're going to... So, not bad. I think quite a successful bit of work from Ian and myself there. So we'll look out for the next one. Yeah, we're going to get those bits that I just mentioned done and get that squared away. And then we're getting dangerously close, I think, to putting it all back together again. Heading off to the MOT centre, and then we're talking can actually ride her, test drives and all that good stuff. I think she's looking pretty good. Pretty good. Wonder what she goes like. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed. All right, so until the next one, and then stay tuned, and we should be riding her very soon, I hope. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, cheers.